Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I got a Toyota Camry over here. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you if you have a code such as a p0171, lean condition, bank 1 lean, bank 2 lean, doesn't matter. Toyota, Lexus, Honda, GMC, Ford, any car you have, okay? Lean conditions are when there's too much air into the system than fuel, okay? So there is a system on this car that checks how much air is going to the car and it has to dump that much fuel. But sometimes you have a vacuum leak, okay? So I'm going to show you a few things that you could check on this car, or if you have a Lexus, even if you have a Honda, alright, just pay attention to a few things that I'm going to show you to check, okay? So first of all, we have a map sensor here, okay? If your car has a map sensor, what you want to do is you want to check if there's any pipes, hoses. You can look, just follow these pipes, okay? Look for cracks in the pipes. Sometimes even these sensors, like such as this one right here, this can get stuck open, okay? And then air will bypass through here and it will suck. What's gonna happen is this sensor is not gonna monitor how much air is going in. If you have a crack anywhere, usually you'll have cracks in these pipes here, these duct pipes, all right? And that would cause a lean condition. All right, most of the time, it could be a dirty sensor. So I'm gonna show you a little cleaner. I do have, oh, it's right here. We just cleaned the one recently. All right, you could use this spray here to clean this mass airflow sensor. So all you do is either you could take off this whole housing, or you remove the 2 screws there, pull this open and clean it. That could be the cause, okay? Other than that, just look for, if somebody had recently worked on your car, just look to see if there's any vacuum lines left open. Just move around this duct pipe. Sometimes there will be a crack on, it's already common on Hondas and Toyotas. There will be a crack between these little grooves here, okay? Other than that, you could pull out your oxygen sensor, clean it. Another thing that matters is the intake down here does have a seal, okay? Hard to get to, big job. This code is not easy to fix, okay? We even looking at a wall, this pipe over here. You see this pipe? Over time, these pipes get hard. You see this has a cover on it. Sometimes this will crack, okay? So you do need to check, okay? What I like to do is I like to let the car run. I like to spray. That's one way to check if you have a vacuum leak. I usually just spray it. And that's a starter fluid. You'll spray that to check. Let's say this had a crack right there. Or let's say, forget that. Let's say this pipe was cracked right here. All right. And let's say if I spray it down here, I will spray even on the intake down here, and you will find the leak, okay? Sometimes it's simple as that. All right. Most of the time, it's your sensor that's bad. The airflow sensor right here, it gives a wrong signal. So those are a few things you're gonna check on this car. Other than that, replace these 2 sensors, clean these 2 sensors, check for vacuum leaks. That's a startup point, okay? You don't want to go beyond that. After that, it gets complicated. Sometimes the gaskets between the intake and the block, they get squashed and air leaks right through, seeps right through. But anyways, guys, I hope this video helps you. If you have any questions, send me a message. Thank you for watching. And if you need to get the spray, this is only like 10 bucks, okay? It's worth it. Clean that sensor anyway. Thank you again, and don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. All right, before I end the video, I just wanted to show you one more thing, okay? But things can get really complicated, okay? This is the first thing I check: air induction system, so air leakage and stuff. Also, you can have blocked injectors, but that's something I wouldn't pay attention to. Mass airflow meter, yes. Coolant temperature sensor, yep. Then you have a whole bunch of other stuff you don't want to go crazy. Fuel pressure, airflow. Okay, just check those things. PCV hose connector, you see that right there? Those are the things. It's pretty much something that you will lose behind if a mechanic worked on it, and that would cause it, okay? If a mechanic worked on your car and then he leaves something behind because he did a hell of a job, usually that's what I get. Sometimes even the dipstick. I had a car, dipstick was left a little bit up ahead. It sucked in a lot of air and it gave a lean codes. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.